Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you are interested in the 2025 GMC Yukon and you're wondering what kind of safety features does it have besides multiple airbags throughout the interior, here is what you're going to find. Blind spot monitoring will be built into the side view mirrors. But how about your driving aids? Let's go to settings, and then we're going to go to vehicle and right down here to collision and detection systems. Now you can go in and adjust your alert type. You can use the safety alert seat, or you can turn that off and use the beeps. It just depends on what your personal preference is. Your forward collision avoidance alert and brake right there, you can go in and make changes there as well. So you can see what you can do. You can turn it off if you want to, depending on what it is you want. We'll also find front pedestrian braking. The same thing is going to be found here as far as your potential options go. Intersection collision braking, you can turn that on, off, or change the alert type. You will also find adaptive cruise go notifier, side bicyclist alert, lane change alert, park assist with braking, rear cross traffic braking, and rear pedestrian alert. And just as was the case with those others, you can go in and make changes as you can see. So I know a couple of you have asked specifically for that information. Now you have it. If you have something else you'd like to know about these Yukons or any other vehicle out there, some specific question, please let me know down in the comments section, and I will make that video for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.